Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm just going to be unboxing my shower system for my guest bathroom. For this video, I won't be talking too much, just watch along and enjoy and see. However, if it's your first time here, again, my name is Shayna and you're welcome here. If it's not your first time here, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. In this box, we have our shower head, our shower system. I'm just gonna unbox, and if you really want to see what my guest bathroom look like when it's done, I'll be having a video coming up at some point, to show you what it looks like once it's done. So for today, I'm just gonna do the unboxing, and then you'll see the final reveal of the bathroom in an upcoming video. Okay, all right, thank you guys so much.